$44 billion worth of Indian exports is at zero tariff. That's the word coming in from Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal. But also, let's go across to my colleague Sumita Karir, who's joining us to give us a fine print of the deal. Over to you, Sumita.
That's right. Hours after the US-India trade deal joint statement was released, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal stated that India has continued to maintain firm red lines on agri, dairy and GM items as far as its trade deal with the US is concerned, while opening the market selectively for certain items like wines and spirits. Minister Goyal stated that the trade deal would open a $30 trillion market opportunity for Indian exporters. Let's also come now to the items that are on zero duty. Well, pharma products will be on zero duty, and to the tune of pharma products to the tune of $13 billion are exported to the US. In the agri sector, he claimed that spices, coffee, tea, coconut oil, Brazil nuts, vegetable, cashew nuts will have zero duty. Items like avocado, banana, mango, kiwi, papaya, pineapple, mushroom will also attract zero duty. Exports items like aircraft parts, machinery, generic drugs and pharma, auto products including elementary auto parts, they will also be on zero tariffs. In fact, another important category is smartphones, and smartphone exports to the US, you remember, have consistently done well in the past 1 year. Now, the categories that have been kept out, well, it includes handicraft makers and farmers, which will not be harmed in any way. So you have GM items, meat, poultry, wheat, sugar, millets, fruits, oilseeds have been kept out. The items that India will be importing from the US, well, it is related to the items that India needs for its industries, and that includes the semiconductor industry. We will be importing chips for the AI mission, machinery for quantum computing, all of that will be imported. In fact, there is also industrial production items, cosmetics, computer-related products, and medicines related to pediatric and cancer treatment that will be imported by India. And the minister stated that there is an expectation that the prices of these commodities will go down.
All right, so that's the word coming in on India-US trade deal. But let's move on then. FICCI President Anand Goenka has